will just slow down, like completely. It will just come to a complete stop.
Yeah, I mean, I met these times in my life. Honestly, my real estate career. I said, okay, I have some decisions to make.
I remember I had a lunch break. Be like things going on throughout to just make sure I'm good.
Yeah. And I believe this.
Oh wait, before you go to your next one, I also want to value that changed the game for me. And you know, when I was single too, if you are the person that's ready,
right, that's a red flag.
Of showing up.
Hey, you want a person that's to that relationship,
right?
You know, it's marriage is so finding someone that checks those things off and actually
flag.
Right. And there's it's to make you their entire world, and you respond like if you get, some people don't have family, I get that, but if they don't have like friends,
until someone makes that commitment to you at everything, like how they're treating you, if they're agreeing about
and in the future about more red flags, but in the dating world, to get to that point, the singles, you know, on how to avoid
kind of this, I would truly say, okay. So one thing I want to go back to this right here, when your mom told her seed, before that point came, and your own strength is not enough. You got to ask God. Now the soul tie even becomes tighter. Even in conversations, there's intimacy. And so are not just tied. Certain conversations can tie your soul.
Yeah, it was spot on. I know those soul ties, and I know the people that you surround. Really, how you just came in my life.
She loves me. I love him. We have fun together. Here, I believe now that Hobbs was given for a house. No, I mean, just like that.
Just like that.
And I remember that the only lasts for 30 minutes. Ready for this.
Can you give practical tips
at the table all the time?
It's a lot of.
Hey, Rufus, where are you? I'm on Poplar Street. Okay. God to bless you with. You're a little bit of my list. Financially stable, consider me in the planning stages. He's there for me, even when it's inconvenience to him.
That's
You gave me all the reasons.
What would you change about Steph? What would you change about her?
And I've been able to navigate this world through the power of prayer. I'm really ready for it.
Something that was on Iman, the anointing within him. You know, she was very open.
I just said he has to be here.
Wow. But what made
I'm gonna walk by faith again, where you have to jump off the ledge again. Like, you know, also knowing,
what changed your mind, Iman? And identifying that relationship.
Two of them. Where the other one at? Enough talking. Hyperlapse the rest of this.
Yep, the mold is real. Woo-hoo. And she gonna last me a whole week now. Come on. As you can see, I have plenty of my own hair back there. This is even condensed down some as I left some of the wrappers in the inside for a more sleek look. But we're gonna cover her up and make her look more. So I'm gonna let y'all watch that process with me.
Stop it. Memphis again. I actually saw a wasp outside today. They are back. Gotta go to Home Depot and get that home some stuff on the chat with y'all. I realize you have to know your limits and know when you're tired and know when you're done, because obviously it will start looking like that on camera. You keep changing outfits and then you try to spread it out, and it just look like why she filmed it take maybe like 15. And if I end up deleting like half of those out, but I don't feel like it. So I talked to you all whenever I picked this up again. I didn't really explain what was going on.
Whenever you want it, you can come and see me. You know just what to do.
Although your spirit is loaded with everything, but it's got to be fed. Something got to be soaked into. And when it's soaked into your spirit, it comes back up to your mind through our revelation knowledge of the Holy Spirit. He's the teacher of the church. He reveals things to us. Right? He shows us things.
Car vlog. This is not my son. This is not my son. This is not my son.
Why you keep saying this is not my son?
Because I really mean it. This is not. You know, I like it about myself. I have the ability to make myself really laugh.
Oh, you just
really,
tickled, ain't
really.
You're funny, ain't it?
Yeah. This is my nephew. And we really ain't sure about that because I really ain't sure if his mama my sister. Tell nobody. Shh. I think he cares. Can you hear me?
I did.
Told you. So I be slipping on the beauty aisle in places like Family Dollar and Dollar Tree because they have such a wide variety. I've never tried this, but I do have the wipes. So I'm gonna try them out before I try this out to see how I like those first. Facial cleaning, power brush, soft brush head, medium brush head, massage head, sponge head. Ooh, for $5. Requires 2 AA batteries. That's not bad. I'll do that. Or they got pink. And then they got the green one. I think I'm gonna stick with the pink one though. What other colors they got? I usually never want the one from the front. But from what this is giving, we want the one from the front instead of the one from the back. Yep. They got another one down here. I was offered a sponsorship to do one of these. But I think they're bad for the skin, so no. They got all the different types of optic white Colgate stuff that I don't even see on Walmart. I didn't even know there was this many different versions of optic white. Now I've tried 2 different kinds. Only the Pro Series and the original. But this is way better. It's worth the extra dollars because it has more hydrogen peroxide within it. Got a sandwich maker, and it's a half off, so that means I will pay $5. Girl, well, see, I vlog. I got a YouTube channel, and so I didn't bring my camera in with me today, so I'm giving you my cell phone. And you can't beat that, like, seriously.
We've been sitting here a long time. Y'all don't even know. You know what I mean? We just sat here sliding around. Well, we just... Okay, I'm just picking up a few things.
Hey y'all! Oh, goodness!
Everything I needed to my phone, but I don't think so. Those are things like just waiting in my cart, but I think I mentioned it before. Well, other people.
Ritz Toasted Chips. 5 reasons why your first box of fresh food is 50% off. Because we believe that no living being should eat ultra-processed food. Because dogs should have the best chance at a long, happy dog food should be real food. Hit the link to get 50% off.
Every day, and I can't think of what. I can't think of what my own color looks like. I like this one. Like, you know, cozy, so I wouldn't be annoyed with this. Okay, fluffiness that I love. Yeah, I see the difference in the way they look. And then it's like knotted right there. It looks great next to my nails. My mama on the phone with Lake Washington. I know y'all probably remember her from my mother. Yes. Let me go get it. Why am I so lazy vlogging today? Cute from the side. You and I Instagram pictures. It's cute from the side. People and everything. Oh my goodness. live, y'all like their friend. When I say, okay, I'm finna go, but I keep talking, y'all keep listening. And then we be on live for an hour and a half, and I be like, oh my God. I love to talk to y'all. I just personally be feeling like I took up y'all time. Like I'm holding y'all up. Friendship is this. I'm toxic. Y'all be telling me that I'm like y'all friend in y'all head. Definitely hear that. I'm prolonging the time it's gonna take me to watch the vlog. And I just talk for 5 minutes. Bye.
Look, I don't deal with excuses. That's your long ass week to give up about that towel.
So I grab and out. Having my breakfast be too long. Multivitamin good news is the smoothies I want to be like refreshing or whatever. It's only what like $2. That's definitely about let me take them out everything. The world has changed up a little bit. Both have amazing women.
After that, they were catching wave after wave. By the end of the day, I think all 3 groups were stoked with their experiences and were already ready to go on their next adventure. To learn more about the Nissan Pathfinder, visit Nissan USA.
Somebody got shot on Dominique. It was like 4, maybe 5 dudes that was outside. I thought they was just playing. Yeah. So it was fighting. And so he was doing like this, man, let's go, whatever. And so I was at the light. And this thing I know, when it was time to put up, pow! And I was thinking, I was like, oh my God. I went full top too. Oh my God. They might not be playing. Great. Time to go. She's all green, all in it, all. You want me to call you when you leaving out? No, but just remember left, right. In the house. I'm talking to y'all tomorrow, and I'm supposed to be on here at 11. Okay, email. Choose the password. This is so blinking. I hate to walk away and grab the driver. Sent me this. I put the info on the screen. I think you all should use coupon code All Destiny when you all shop. She gave me the code for you all. You all want to check out like her apparel and all of that. It's my tag for today. Love that. I love this sound. Right now, I'm getting ready to change finished the whole series. I took a little clip of myself on my phone just for when I felt like posted to Instagram later. This one was not open when I filmed that video. This is the last one that needs to be open. I think when I filmed it, it turned to here. And I'm watching this video, trying to listen to the guy read from the first. People will say I'm really saying it's good work at least. So yeah, I'm just taking it back out. And I'm moving it to work. It's 3 of them today. But I'm taking these pencils out. This is everything high.